Hi everyone, I hope all of you guys are okay. So let's get down to business. I'm gonna show you how to install OBS Studio in simple steps. So first of all, we have to open our browser and we have to type OBS Studio. Okay, and we have to choose the first option. Click on that. Now, according to the system that you're using, you have to choose one of these three options. In this case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so I'm gonna choose the first one. Once you do a click on that, it automatically will start downloading the file. Once we have downloaded the file, we have to open it. So click on that. Allow the permissions. Click on next. Next. Install. Click on finish. And that's it. Now we have the program. So in this case, you can choose one of these three options according what are your goals for using this program. If you want to do streaming or you want to use it just for record your screen, I don't know. So according what are your goals, you have to choose one of these three options. In this case, I'm gonna choose the second one and I'm gonna do click on next. Next, apply settings, and that's it. Now we have the program. So let me give you some quick settings that will help you to improve the performance and the quality of every recording that you want to do. So we're gonna do a click on settings, output, and we are looking for this section, recording section. So in this option, you can choose where you want to save all of your recordings. Okay, I'm not gonna change anything in this option for the moment, but if you wanna change the direction of where you want to save all of your recordings, you can click just on browse and you can choose the file where you want to save all of the recordings. In this case, I'm not going to change anything. So what am I going to change is this option, recording quality. I'm going to choose the third option, click on that. In recording format, we just want to make sure that we have this option, hybrid MP4. So I'm going to choose that. And in video encoder, we're going to choose hardware NVENC-H264, and that's it. Click on apply. Okay, and that'll do it. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.